Hello everyone. Get ready to react to one of the most weirdest memes ever. This. Can anyone tell what will happen? Sorry. Anyone tell what will happen? Okay. Let me just turn my volume up. What? Never mind. Okay. Get ready to react to this weird meme. What is this? Wait, is that even a part? I don't remember that. What? Oh no. Oh no. I know what's gonna happen. Can you tell this banana? Okay, technically every video he has a banana. That's the problem. Even in the singing battle, he has a banana. I literally saw it. How many bananas do you have? Oh, rip. Wait. Rip, I think. But where is Scarlett's glasses right now? I just love the bananas just down here. Put this on. Seriously, dude. That's disgusting. Oh no. Can any of you tell what this is? Oh no. Okay, so the reason there's more guys than girls in this is because there's a guy ship and because there are 2 guys for a girl. So that's just sad. Wait, what? Hold up for a second. Hold on for a sec. What is happening? I'm just trying to... The end. The end. The end. Goodbye.